Today is the day. I got the call for my special order. I'm so excited. So let me, why is it like so bright all of a sudden? Okay, here we go. So I just curled my hair, jewelry, and this is the outfit that I'm wearing. And I'll show you guys the full outfit later. I'm wearing my Hermes necklace, some hoops, and then this chain thing. No bracelets, just my ring. And yeah, I'm so excited. I know exactly what I want in my head, but then I guess we'll find out if that's indeed what I decide when I'm there. Outfit of the day. This dress is from H&M, my Birkin 25, and then I'm wearing this coat, and then my boots are from Ross. Okay, let's just do a full fit. Hey everybody, I am doing a quick unboxing. This, I went to the store and I had, excuse my voice, I had my essay deliver or like ship it to me. I hope that I like it, because like I said, I wasn't able to try it in store because I didn't have it. But it is my second pair of belt, and I also got a new buckle with it. I got a different one than my existing one, so this is what I have. My current one, this is the Constance. Ooh, it's so pretty. Ta-da! And I got the orange with the, I think this is Etude, and I think this is Epsom. This is not Togo, because as you can see, the differences in the green. This is definitely more sturdy looking, and then this is the buckle that I got. Let's just compare buckles. This is more of a dainty H. So, and I'll do like a mod shot of my outfit for later. Outfit of the day. Shirt and blouse. She in baby's full outfit. Nike.
Stretching out a little bit.
Hermes belt. Louis Vuitton loop bag.
Abba.
Say cheese.
Sit.
I should do orange, right? Like orange. Yeah. And it just goes like that. Look how cute. Okay, so while I'm putting this on, my special order, it was so much fun. As like just getting picked was so exciting, and I know it's like, I don't want to say an honor, but it kind of is, because not everybody gets picked for a special order. And so I got the call, and my essay told me that I was chosen this year, or this season. I think they do it twice a year, the special orders, for a special order, and I was freaking out. I'll show you guys this real quick. There we go. Cute. So I will also insert clips of videos and footage of what I picked, or of just the colors that was available. There's this very, very beautiful color this season. It's called like Mauve Maestro or something. Let me find it. What was this color called? It's Mauve Pale. Okay, there's this very beautiful new color. It's called Mauve Pale. Oh my gosh, it's stunning. If you guys ever saw the Chanel lilac pink color collection that they had, I think it was 3 years ago now, because I purchased that cocoa handle when I was pregnant, so I'm assuming like about 2.5 or 3 years ago now. That color, but picture it in Hermes Togo. I think this is Togo. Oh, Maestro. No, Clemence. It was in Clemence, the photo or video I had. So beautiful, such a stunning color. I didn't choose it, but if I didn't choose the color that I had picked, which is my dream Hermes bag, then I may have picked that one. I think it's, don't attack me, it's more beautiful than Rose Sakura, because I'm not very pink. I'm not very big on the pink, but this is a very beautiful lilac, purpley pink color, but it's more on the lilac versus the pink. Anyhow, so I picked out the stitching. I just went tone on tone with my stitching, and I did a Kelly 25 and Red Tournay. I'm not a Cellier person, a Cellier, more of a Togo, like more of the softer, more plush leathers than the hard leathers. And I got the 105 crossbody strap, and I did a two-tone. So I did one color on the exterior and another color on the interior, and it's so beautiful. So the interior color I picked is Gris Pearl, and it's just this very beautiful gray, and it's not very, at least my store doesn't get it quite often, I don't think. But yeah, I'm so excited. They say it takes about 6 to a year, but then they've had clients that have been waiting for almost 3 years. So I'm hoping I'm one of the lucky 6-month clients. Beautiful colors, but I knew what I wanted when I got there. So the appointment took me maybe 30 to 40 minutes. That was it. And I was out of there. I was so happy, so excited. And the leather that I went with is Togo, because the color I wanted was not offered in Chev. And also the hardware that I got was the permabrass, I think. It's the only gold hardware that's more like, that's only for special order and not regular made bags. But yes, that was my experience. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you have more questions, please let me know and I will answer them. I'll see you next time. Please subscribe. Bye.